Okay, hello. Hello. Let me set up the live really quick. Um, Give me just a second. Mm, Let me see if this is running okay. Yeah, right. I don't know why I can see my live. Okay, there you go. Give me just 1 second. Fuck. Sorry, I don't know what is happening with the live. Okay, now. Um, okay, in today's tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to make a number counter here in After Effects. So first, we start by creating a text layer. So go here to the text tool, and now let's add some text. So you can type anything you want. So let's enter this text. I'm gonna make this to be in normal without italic. There you go. So we are going to make the number counter with the source text. So you go here to text and you will see the source text, and I'll click the stopwatch. Now if you make quotation marks here, whatever you put here, like I don't know, 1, 2, 3, 4, you will see now it displays that number. Or it could be a phrase, hello, anything. So we can use this to use something like a $sign, a percentage, or whatever we want before our text. So now to make the number, we have to add a slider. So let's say slider control in FX. And once we have the slider here, we're gonna go here to the source text and let's add a plus, add a space. And now with the pick whip, you have to select this slider. Now once you select this slider, you will see this number. It will display anything it says in the slider. If we animate this, we make a keyframe here, go a little forward, and put, I don't know, 100. And you will see that now it goes from 0 to 100, but you will see a lot of decimals. Oh, hi Asador. How are you? I'm good. I'm fine today. Um, okay, you will see a lot of decimals here, and to get rid of all of that decimals, you gotta go here to the source text again, and let's change this code a little bit. We have to add a dot value that's to fixed. Oh fuck, I can I can write to fix, and here between the parentheses we have to put how many decimals we want. If we don't want decimals, we just put 0, and you will see now there's no decimals. And if we increase this to 1 or 2, it will increase the numbers of decimals. We can put here even 10. But now let's bring this to 0. Okay. Okay, we have this. We can also add more text. We can add more text after this number. So we just add another plus sign and add quotation marks. And here we can type something like USD. And it will display USD, but let's put a space here to have this separated. There you go. Okay, I'm gonna keep this without space. There you go. So now we have this. If we want to increase this even more to something like 20,000, and we want to see the commas, we can even increase this to 1 million. And we want to see the commas to separate the numbers, and to make this more readable, we gotta go here to before to fix parenthesis 0. We have to go before this, and we just have to paste the code that is in the description. So paste it with Ctrl V. There you go. And now you will see that now there are commas in the counter. So this is a easy way to add commas. You can see they are functioning really well. And if you want to go even further from 1 million, you want to go higher, you have to change, instead of using the slider control, let's delete this, and let's add a point. So here also we have numbers, and we can move this number even higher than 1 million. So so we have to go here to the expression, and let's select the slider control until the dot value. We don't have to select the to fixed. And let's grab the pick whip and select the point. And as these have two numbers, we have to select one of those two numbers. So let's open brackets, and if we type 0, we are going to select the first number, and if we type 1, we are going to select the second number. So let's select the first one, so type 0, and now you will see it says the same number as this. So we can bring this to, I don't know, 200 millions, like a lot. And let me keyframe this, so you can see we can keyframe this also. There you go. That's a lot. And let me change this. So if you also want to write another text but in the next line, you can make this by adding, let's add another quotation marks here, and to write down this text, we have to write down slash and it will go to the line in the line below, and here we can type anything we want. I'm gonna type dollars, so you can see, and there you have it. And let me put this to another number, a smaller number. Let me put, I don't know, 10,000. There you go. And here we have this animation. We can also ease the keyframes if we want this to start a little slow and then a little slow. You can ease with F9. And you can also even change the speed graph. So go here to the speed graph, grab the handle and move it a little bit. And there you can see the speed graph. Also, you can make these to end really slow, grabbing this and moving all the way. There you go. And the last thing is that you can change how from where the text is moving. So here in the paragraph, you will see this window. If you don't see the paragraph, you have to go here to window and select here paragraph. It will open this panel. So if you choose a line from left, it will look like this. If you choose from the center, oh, let me select this. From the center, it will move the whole text, and from the right, it will look like this. Okay, so there you go. I'm gonna leave this to the left. I think it looks the best to the left. Or to the middle, I don't know. What do you think? Should I leave this to the left or to the middle? Ah, from the middle looks fine for me. So I'm gonna bring this closer to something like here. And let me change a little bit the, I don't know how is this called, the leading. It's like too separated. So I'm gonna bring this closer. No, too close. That's like too close. Okay, there you go. And there you have it. So everything explained here. I'm gonna leave you this project file for download in the description, so you can use this project file and type anything, any number you want. Everything is set up. And so that's everything for today. And I'll see